Hey, Eric here, bringing you another episode of Caveman in the Kitchen. Tonight we're baking protein cake. I don't know what else to call it. It's going to be a cake and it's full of protein, so it's going to be interesting. Never tried this recipe before. I'm making it up from scratch, so here we go. Check this out. So I've divided my ingredients into a wet bowl and a dry bowl. Here we basically have the batter and all the powdered stuff mixed together, and we have all the liquid kind of stuff mixed together. I got a couple eggs in there, and so we got eggs, we got Greek yogurt, we got maca powder, baking soda, coconut flour, John's Killer Protein, we got lemon and lime juice, we got coffee protein, BioTrust milk chocolate protein, we got hemp protein, and we even got hemp oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I threw some stevia in there. And of course we got 2 eggs. So I've divided all that stuff up into these 2 bowls. Now I'm going to combine them, and then we're going to put them in the baking pan. Let's do it. Hey, so there it is. I took the dry bowl and the wet bowl and I mixed them together and I put them in the baking pan. I put that on a baking sheet in case it overflows. And we're going to go with 350 for approximately 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to kind of eyeball it and see how it looks. If it's exploding or something, before 30 minutes, I'll take it out early. But we'll see how it goes. It's lunchtime. Stay tuned. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's see what happened. Oh, Nelly. There it is. Well, that's what she looks like after 30 minutes at 350. Let it cool off for a while and then throw her in the fridge for a bit, see what happens. Hang in there, we're almost there to taste test time. So this is the protein cake after it cooled off and was placed in the fridge overnight. So the next morning I come out and I put for a topping I used a light coat of strawberry jam spread evenly over the top. And the next phase is going to be I'm going to cut a piece and give it a try. This is the moment I've been waiting for. What does it taste like? We shall see. Hey, so I cut a piece out. It's ready to go. The moment I've been waiting for. The taste test. Let's see, is it too dry? Is it too moist? Like I'm some kind of food critique, right? Like I'm going to eat it anyway, so let's see. Alright, here it goes. Okay, it's actually pretty good. Articulate what the my protein cake tastes like. I was trying to figure out, what can you compare it to figuratively. So I was thinking a bland carrot cake. Think of a carrot cake, the texture, the consistency of it without the frosting, without being too sweet. A bland carrot cake without frosting. That's the closest I can come up with. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you want to know what I used basically all the stuff I showed earlier in the video. Say like 2 scoops. I used a protein scoop out of a protein powder jar, and I literally took 2 scoops of everything. 2 scoops, maca powder, 2 scoops of all the different types of protein, and 2 tablespoons of all the liquid stuff like hemp oil, extra virgin olive oil, 2 eggs, right? 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and then 2 scoops of all the protein powders, all the powdered stuff, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice, lemon juice, and most of the stuff you can't even taste in here. You can taste basically a hint of chocolate protein powder, a little bit of the maca, and a little bit of the hemp, all the hemp oil and protein powder, and you can taste the strawberry jam. So it's not bad. It's bland. It's more bland than you would expect from a cake, but it's not a cake. It's a giant chunk of protein, something or other, right? This was just an experiment, but now I have, when I get hungry, I have another big chunk of protein that I can add in, and the solution is to simply add a piece of fruit to it.
have a piece of fruit with it, good to go. Okay? So don't be afraid to experiment. Use all different kinds of stuff. It's palatable, it's edible, and it's loaded with good stuff, so I'm definitely gonna eat it. And I encourage you to explore and make your own protein cakes. And you can do them however you want. There's no rule book. Do whatever you want, right? Go out there and have fun. Make protein cakes. Make protein whatever. Just go out there and do it. Have fun. Make something new, something fun for your kids. Exciting, healthy, right? Fun, exciting, healthy, right? Add healthy into your lifestyle and make it fun. Make it long term. And you'll be okay, all right?